Yes. It's easy to install AC. And of course, AC is not much very high because there's a brand that... Hoy! Kinain mo. Kinain niya, Aljun Jade, yung laruan mo. Kunin mo, yun o. Bella! Ito pa. Ito, nandito. Saan yung isa? Kasi binitawan mo eh. Saan na yung kabila? Kinain niya. But the electric bill here in Philippines makes your BP go higher, very high. Yeah. So better. I'm not going to buy AC. Yes. Because electric fan for me it's fine. I can handle the heat of the sun, but the higher bill of electric is horrible. So better to stay this way. Yes. Hi, Jim Craig. Welcome to my life. How much is peso to dollar? Yes, you're right, Arnold. Binitawan mo kasi, kaya niya kinain. Shh, Bella! Hoy! Wala na, sira na to. Kinain niya na eh. Wala na talaga. Ang kulit ni Bella eh. Pasaway talaga. Sinira. Sinira niya talaga. Oh my God. Wala na, sira na. Bakit si Bella eh. $1 here in Philippines is like $1 US dollar convert to peso is sometimes it depends. Sometimes 50 and it can goes up like 55. Yes, but mostly it's 50 to 52. Yes. Yeah. 50 to 1. 50 pesos equals $1 US dollars. I have 2 children and I am not young. I am close to 40. Yeah. Not young anymore. I am auntie already. Because I have 19 years old daughter and my youngest is Aljon, 3 years old. Yeah. Yes, I am. Run. So I am not young anymore. Gago ka.